In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow download speed on Battle.net. Now first what you want to do is open up the task manager, come in here. From in here you want to head over to details, click name and find your Battle.net. Find the one that uses the most memory, so check here. As you can see, this one. And what you want to do is you want to right click on it, set priority and choose high. Now after that, find the second one, set priority, choose high, and the third one, set priority and choose high. Just make sure you do it for the ones with a lot of memory, not the small ones like these. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is we want to allow it through our firewall. So come here and search for firewall, open it up, allow an app, change settings, press B and look if you have Battle.net. If you don't, press allow another app, browse, and then we want to find our Battle.net. The easiest way is simply search for battle.net, open file location, right click again and open file location, and you should see it in here. So click up here, Control C, click up here, Control V, and press enter. Now once you have it in here, choose the launcher, open, add, and you should see it in here now. What you want to do is make sure both of these are ticked, just like this, and then you can add the other one as well. So do this, add, and add this one as well. Now they're both ticked, just like we want. Now for the next thing, what we can do is come down here and search for device manager, open it up and find network adapters. In here you want to find your main internet. This is my cable internet, so update the driver from here. Now once you've done that, the last thing we can try is simply open up CMD. In here you want to type ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter and then restart your PC. Now after all of this, it should hopefully install much faster. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.